Good students, today I am going to teach you about law of exponents of the rational number. Okay then, before it I have told law of exponents of the rational number in serial number 3. First and second law of exponents of rational number. Okay, after this, today I will teach you about some Riemann's law of exponent of the rational numbers. Okay, student? Here, third law of exponents of the rational number in the case of power law. Power law. Power law of the rational number of the rational number. If A by B is a rational number, then A by B to the power m of whole power n. Okay, student? When we open the major bracket, then power multiply into power. A by B to the power m into n when open the major bracket. We get here, thus we get here mn. Okay? This you can write in this form, and this you can write in this form. Okay, then on this basis I give you an example as 2 by 3 to the power 4 multiply 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. 2 by 3 power 4 and whole power of 1 by 2. In this case, we write here 2 by 3 to the power 4 and major bracket open, then power multiply into power. Okay? And write here. Into 1 by 2. Okay? Power multiply power. Here 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Thus we get here 2 by 3 to the power 2. You can also expand it. You get during the expand 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, we get 2 2 ja 4 by 9 is a rational number. Okay? After this, next rule, if A by B and C by D, let A by B is a rational number, then we can write when A by B is in negative form, but its power is even. Okay? Then its value is found positive case. As here 2 or n even, then its result will be positive form. Okay, its result will be positive form. And here a by b to the power n odd, okay, then its result will be find negative form. Okay, before its I have told you in the case of positive rational number and negative rational numbers about the exponents, even odd. Before it I have told you about this in serial number 2 or 3. You can see it's in my channel. These types of on this rule I have given some example on this basis before its serial number. Okay, after this, next here a by b and if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b to the power a by b into c by d whole power m. Then we write here a by b power m and c by d to the power m. Why? Here c by d is different rational number and a by b also different. Then its power we write in separate, a by b to power b m and c by d power m. We can write this in this form and this write in this form. Okay, then on this basis I give you an example as, let here a by b 2 by 3 and here 5 by 7 c by d, the whole power 2. We can write here 2 by 3 to the power 2 into 5 by 7 power 2, can write on this basis. You can also expand of 2 by 3 in power of 2 and 5 by 7 expand in power of 2, can expand. After this, next, if a by b power m, you can write it in the form of b by a. Okay, in opposite form, a by b, then power, in this case power convert in negative, then denominator numerator change. Here denominator take part of numerator, numerator take part of denominator, then power change, power sign change. Here plus and here numerator denominator change, the power also be change. Okay, then this write in this form and this form write in this form. Before it's I have told about these types of rule and also give some examples on this basis in the serial number 2. Okay, you can write here as example. Here 2 by 3 to the power 7. You can write here 3 by 2 to the power minus 7. According to this rule, you can write, and you can also expand it. Okay? And here, if a to the power minus 2 integer, all integers are rational number. Okay? If a power minus 2, we can write in positive form a power 2. Okay? And here, if 1 by a power minus 2, then we can write, take when a denominator go in numerator, then power change. A to the power 2 plus 2, we can write here plus 2, not write positive. Okay? Thus we can write this form. Okay, student? On this basis you can write on this basis. Next rule, here a by b power 0 is equal to 1. Okay? But here a by b not equal to 0, but here power n is equal to 0. It is the integer. It is integer. If ab not equal to 0, a by b is equal to plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to dot dot and so on. A by b you can write one integer, all integer are rational number. You can write 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1. Thus it is a rational form. A by b is equal to, you can write plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 plus minus 2. But here a by b not equal to 0, it is not a real number, but it is a real number. Real numbers. A by b here plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 are real number, but a by b not equal to 0 and 0 is not a real number. Okay? Here 2 by 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any rational numbers or integers power is 0, that will be always value found 1. Here 4 by 0 we can write integer. Okay? And this is rational number and this is rational. If rational number or integers power is 0, that value will be 1 always. Okay? Next. This is very important part. Here root a, Surds rule, a root under root a we can write in exponential form a power 1 by 2. Here order 2 hide but not so or not write 2, but here order 3 so of the root a. Here a to the power in exponential form, root finish and write in exponential form 1 by 3. 3 is the order. 3 is the order. Order means power of the surds. Here if a to the power 5, then we can write here a to the power 5 whole power 1 by 3. Here order 3, then we can write here. And during the open here bracket open, then multiply 5 into 1 by 3. We get 8 to the power 5 by 3. Okay, student? Thus we write the search rule. Here AB, also write AB to the power 1 by 2. Can write here A to the power 1 by 2 into B to the power 1 by 2. Can write in separate form. This also write in this form. If A to the power 1 by 2, it write in surd form. Surd form, root form. Then we write A, root A, and here A to the power 3. Here order is 3, here order 2, but order 2 not so here. Here order 3, we can write here this. These types we can show. Okay? After this, here on example as root 2 into 3, we can write here 2 to the power 1 by 2, and you can write here 2 into root 3. Here you can write in exponential form 1 by 2 into 3 power 1 by 2. Can write in this form. Okay, student? After this, next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student? Thank all of you.